woke up on a Sunday morning, tired eyes to greet the day, a rucksack full of expectations up on dreary Langdon Way. The train awaiting on the platform, the diesel humming high. A one-way ticket stand for freedom, and just one last goodbye.
Tooraloo-lay, I'm on my way, making New York City, San Francisco, Botany Bay. I've been praying, I've been waiting, mister, for this fateful day. Tooraloo-lay. Took passage on the early water, wave from England, sweet goodbye. A cigarette above our top deck, watch the seagulls soar the sky.
Woke up to the sound of laughter and strangers passing by. Stepped up on the land of dreams and had myself a smile.
Tooraloo-lay, I'm on my way, making New York City, San Francisco, Botany Bay. I've been praying, I've been waiting, mister, for this fateful day. Tooraloo-lay. Light a sham from Bonnie Gingerbread on a New York City street. He was asking if I'd seen her, how the hell we'd meet at a bar in Queens. He knew a man who came from my hometown.
Then he borrowed $20 till his payday came around.
Tooraloo-lay, I'm on my way, making New York City, San Francisco, Botany Bay. I've been praying, I've been waiting, mister, for this fateful day. Tooraloo-lay. Got some work by Sydney Harbour with a firm from Antrim town.
We were digging up the paving stone, laying concrete piping down. Found a place upon the hill for pints when they said you'd have the crack.
Oh yeah.
And they were singing Tooraloo-lay, saying we're never going back.
Tooraloo-lay, I'm on my way, making New York City, San Francisco, Botany Bay. I've been praying, I've been waiting, mister, for this fateful day. Tooraloo-lay, I'm on my way, making New York City, San Francisco, Botany Bay. I've been praying, I've been waiting, mister, for this fateful day. Tooraloo-lay.
Ah, yeah.
Hey! Thank you!
Tooraloo-lay.
Thank you so much, thank you.
Good afternoon, Billboard. Good afternoon, world of social media.
Yeah.
We are Celtic Thunder.
We are.
We are in New York City, and we are celebrating everything that's good to be Irish.
Yeah.
And 10 years, of course.
10 years of Celtic Thunder.
Celtic Thunder, yeah. And I've no better time to do it and be in New York than in March around St. Patrick's, of course, when it's a... Although I would say it's probably a better time to be wearing a kilt in the freezing cold as we walked across New York there.
Very true, very true.
It was
Frigid.
Our hairy Irish legs are coping well. But we're delighted to be here back at Billboard once again and announcing our brand new show, Celtic Thunder X.
Yeah. 10 years, hard to believe. But we're very excited about this show. We've been sitting on this show, I think, from last October when we filmed the DVD special back home in Ireland, and we've had to keep quiet about it ever since until now.
Did you think that we'd be back here, like 10 years later? Like in 2007 we came out. Did you think 10 years later we'd still be here?
No.
I did.
We hope you did at home as well.
Yes.
Thank you.
Fair play, Neil, you can't.
Yeah. I can't wait for 10 years' time when we come back.
Yes,
again.
we're going to look great as well.
With our pensions and
it's going to be
everything
fantastic. We might sing. We'll be singing another song for the folks.
We probably should. Yeah,
Yes.
We've done enough talking for now. I think we're going to say this is another song from our very new album, and it's a song called "I Used to Love Her." I have fallen for another. She can make her own way home, and even if she asks me now, I'd let her go alone. Well, I used to see her up the chapel when she went to Sunday Mass. When she'd go up to receive, I'd kneel down there and watch her pass. The glory of the lass. I used to love her, I used to love her once. A long, long time ago, I used to love her, I used to love her once. A long, long time ago, it's gone. All my loving is gone. Whoa, it's gone. All my loving is gone. Do you remember her collecting for concern on Christmas Eve? She was on a 48-hour fast, just water and black tea. Well, I walked right up and made an ostentatious contribution. And I winked at her to tell her I'd seduce her in the future when she's feeling looser. Hey! I used to love her, I used to love her once. A long, long time ago, I used to love her, I used to love her once. A long, long time ago, it's gone. All my loving is gone. Whoa, whoa, it's gone. All my loving is gone. So now you know the truth of it, she's no longer my obsession. Though the thoughts and dreams I had of her would take 6 months in confession. See, I met this young one Thursday night and she's into free expression. And her mission is to rid the world of this shameful repression. Then we had a session. Hey! I used to love her, I used to love her once. A long, long time ago, I used to love her, I used to love her once. A long, long time ago, it's gone. All my loving is gone. Whoa, whoa, it's gone. All my loving is gone. And it's gone, long, long gone. All my loving is gone, long, long gone. All my loving is gone, long, long gone. All my loving is gone, long, long gone. I have fallen for another. She can make her own way home. Woo!
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
So, hope you enjoyed that. We also have some pretty big news. We are going on a 75 city tour, lads. 75 cities.
Yes, indeed we are.
The most extensive I think we've ever done.
Yes,
Our biggest tour ever,
75.
all over North America. We are thrilled to be coming back to see you guys in your towns and cities all across this continent, and bringing this brand new show live to the stage. So,
And so we were releasing all the dates on CelticThunder.com tomorrow. So go on there, log on there, and you'll see all the places that we're playing, all those 75 cities across North America.
and if you want to be the first to know about it, the exclusive people tuning in here at Billboard,
March 30th, baby.
March 30th, they go on sale. But you can set a reminder on the Celtic Thunder Facebook, put in your number and your email address, and you'll get a personal call. No, you won't get a personal call from us, but you will be given a reminder when the first tickets go on sale, and you'll be there with us.
Yeah, which is normally front row, so therefore when we're wearing kilts, it's the best seat in the house.
Yes.
It can be the best seat, or it can't. It depends on.
Depends who you are, really.
Yeah. Anyway, that was awkward.
Not as awkward as the front row. Well, you guys want another one? Yeah.
Sure, why not?
We'll do one before we go. I suppose we want to say a big thank you to Billboard for having us here again.
Incredible support.
Yeah,
guys.
the guys.
Thank you so much.
The guys have been telling us earlier that last year we were back. We did this time last year, and we were the 5th most viewed video out of all the people they have in Billboard that have come in there. So we were happy with that. So
Huge. Yeah.
that's all about our fan base. Thank you so much for all of you for tuning into us as usual. We'll leave you one more.
We'll leave you with this one. What's this one, Michael?
This one is called Right All Right.
He's right.
All right.
Was on the road to Dublin that I met a pretty girl. She looked so good that it was quite disarming.
So I stopped and I asked her if she wanted to go home, or if she had to stay out till the morning. And she says, right,
Alright, sure, we'll get along tonight, and we'll think about each other in the morning.
is there a way?
No way I can take you in today, so you'll have to think about me when you're yawning. She took to me quite lovingly, and she had much to say, and I never felt the cold as it was growing.
And then she turned and said to me, I think I've lost me way. And suddenly I knew me heart was glowing.
And she says, right, alright, sure, we'll get along tonight, and we'll think about each other in the morning.
Is there a way?
No way I can take you in today, so you'll have to think about me when you're yawning. Well, we came upon a crossroads and she asked me to get down.
Alright.
And I danced a merry jig among the hawthorn.
I never felt her hand as she removed me wallet brown. And we danced some reels and jigs until the dawning.
And she says, right,
Alright, sure, we'll get along tonight. And we'll think about each other in the morning. Is there a way? No way I can take you in today. So you have to think about me when you're yawning. Now that my story is come to an end, she upped and she left me without warning. So here I am today without a penny to me name, and I wish I never met her in the morning.
and she says, right,
Alright, sure, we'll get along tonight, and we'll think about each other in the morning. Is there a way? No way I can take you in today. So you have to think about me when you're yawning.
One more time.
And she says, right, alright, sure, we'll get along tonight, and we'll think about each other in the morning. Is there a way? No way I can take you in today. So you have to think about me when you're yawning.
Hey! Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you. Have a great
Cheers,
St. Patrick's
guys.
Day.
Thank you, Billboard. Happy St. Patrick's
Thank
Day.
you.
See you soon.